Sonia! You get where? You get your house.
Yeah.
Hold up your key and shake it. It's a brand new house.
Brand new house.
Brand new.
Brand new. I feel very good. Joyful. You know, oh, when I come, I'm not know when there.
First came across Sonia's story on social media. A friend of mine pointed out to me that she's in desperate need. Her house was burnt down. She was looking after her grandson at the time, so we decided to come on board and see how best we can help her. First was trying to restore the house, but we ended up buying her a brand new house. So here we are now today. And today marks it to 1 year. 1 year to the day she lost her house.
I just went on the social media and asked her help. Friend, you see, I saw a gentleman come, the coloring there. Asked me what name Mrs. Sonia said. And said, okay, Mr. Owen wanted to come to Kingston, where I reach out and I really surprised. I really surprised that this gentleman never know me, no nothing about me, and I have children, I have family, and they don't care. They don't care. But God bless Mr. Hobby, his heart and his
So other things that she received, as you can see, the couch, dining set, stove, fridge, bed, medication, clothes, everything, utensils, pots, pan, dresser, you know, everything for the house. There's nothing that you don't need. So grocery as well, food supply, you know. The list goes on.
Yes,
Hold it for money. Hold it for money. Don't forget the part there. Hold it for money.
Hold it for money. God bless you, Mr. Owie. May you live to see many. You don't know what to do for me.
So today makes it.
Today is going to be 1 year since we all born there. I never knew that I could live in a place. God bless you.
How do you feel now to make such a contribution to this person?
This is one of my biggest achievements, you know, to know that I was able to help her in this way. I mean, for somebody to own their own home, much less a brand new home, you know, that says a lot, you know. So I'm happy that I was a part of it. Very easy. Once you have friends that are willing to help, just reach out to them, and you'll be surprised how, you know, how quick they will come on board and help you out, you know. So my friends, I have to thank them. A lot of my friends came on board and decided to help with this venture.
But God bless Mr. Hobby, his heart and his